Good morning, students. Let's begin our class with the thought for the day. Swami Vivekananda says, talk to yourself at least once in a day. Otherwise, you may miss a meeting with an excellent person in this world. Research suggests self talk may help your brain perform better. Well, when it comes to learning and grammar in English, sentences can be strange. You may come across words like your, your, which has the same tone and pronunciation but different meaning entirely. Let's learn about them in detail. They are called homonyms and heteronyms. They are often called as confusables in English because of the following reasons. When two or more words that have same pronunciation but different meanings, they are called homonyms in English. There are two kinds of homonyms. They are homographs and homophones. Homographs are words with same spelling, same sound but different meanings, while homophones are words with same sound but different spelling and different meanings. What are homographs? Homographs are words with same spellings, same sound but different meanings. Let us read about the homographs with proper examples. Look at this word bat that refers to a thing. Bat that refers to a mammal. The spelling and sound are similar but meaning differs. Homo means same, graph means right. That means the same word has the same sound but different meaning. Another example, left. A man leaves. To leave the house, left, and there is a signboard showing left side. The word present shows that children are present, and there is a gift that is known as present. The meaning differs but sounds same. Homophones. Homo means same, phones means sounds. Words with similar sounds, different spelling and different meanings. Now let us read about them with few examples. The word sun has the same sound but different spelling and different meaning. SUN refers to the hot ball of fire, sun, and SON refers to a small boy, son of a man. Here is another example, cell, 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 referring to virus cells or any other cells, plant cells, animal cells, and rena cells, some fruits. See the spelling that differs but has the same sound. 8, the mysterious 8. It has the same sound as ate. The man ate stomach full. The spelling differs but the sound is similar for both the words. Another example, dessert, delicious desserts, ice creams and cakes served after the main meal. Tar dessert, referring to a place that has the same sound but different meaning and different spelling. What are heteronyms? Two or more words with same spelling but different sounds and meanings are called as heteronyms in English. For example, look at the words lead, lead. Lead means to guide a person. Lead means referring to metals. Another example, object, refers to things, nouns. Object, verb, total strong disagreement. Wind, the movement of air. Wind, to twist or to coil something. Here the spelling is same but sounds different and meaning is different. To sum up, there are two kinds of homonyms. They are homographs and homophones. Homographs are words with same sound, spelling but different meaning, and homophones are words with same sound but different spelling and different meaning. Heteronyms. Heteronyms are words with different sound, different meaning but same words. Students are expected to learn homonyms and heteronyms properly as they are often a tricky part of correct grammar. These may be a bit confusing, especially to students who learn English as second language, but learning it consistently will help you use them properly. Hope you will be able to understand the right usage of homonyms and heteronyms and avoid mistakes in English grammar, as well as to improve your overall understanding of the English language. Thank you.